Hello children, good morning to you all. Yesterday I have taught you about the types of soil, right? What are the different types of soil we find in our country? In different physical divisions, we find different types of soil. In the mountain region, we find mountain soil. In the plain, northern plain, we find alluvial soil, and in the desert we find sand, and in the southern plateau we find black soil. Understand? And in coastal plains, on the hills we find red and yellow soil. And how these soils are formed also I told. The soil is formed by the process of breaking up of the rocks, and it is not formed within 1 or 2 days. It took some millions of years to form this soil. Understand? How? Who breaks the rocks to make a soil? Nobody breaks. It is done, or it is formed when with the action of wind, temperature, wind, heat, and rainfall, and other disintegrating processes, etc. Understand? That's decomposition of the matters in the soil, on the earth, I mean, it forms. I told you. And how alluvial soil is formed? I told alluvial soil is formed, found in the plains. It is formed when it is the rivers, big rivers flow from the slope towards the plain. They carry a kind of gravel and smooth soil along with them in the way, whatever soil they carry in their way, they bring. And when they come to the plain while flowing, plain is flat land where the speed of the river will not be as fast as that on the slope. That's why what happens, this soil, whatever is brought by the river, it deposits on the land, plain. And this is very fine gravel with a smooth soil. Okay, so it is very good for growing crops. Second is black soil. This black soil is very good for growing sugarcane and cotton. It is formed by the igneous rocks, breaking of igneous rocks. What are these igneous rocks? They are soft rocks which are formed by the lava of the volcanoes. After the cooling of the lava, these rocks are formed, but they break very easily and form this black soil. It is very good for growing cotton and sugarcane. So it is also called black cotton soil. Then red and yellow soil. It is found in the crystal form. Understand? The igneous rock is broken and formed the soil with red and yellow. It is not as fertile as the alluvial soil, but we can grow few crops like millets, bajra, jawar, etc., oil seeds, and tea, rubber, tobacco on the slopes of the mountains. Then desert soil. It is a sandy soil, gravel. No water resists in it. So it is not so good for growing any crops. Then mountain soil, which is found on the slopes of the mountains or at the top of the mountains. Top of the mountain, it is just like rocks and stones, gravel, more like sand. But when it comes to the slope, it is like red and yellow soil, which is very good for growing tea plantation, coffee plantation, spices, etc. So On the coast, in the coastal region, on the slopes of the hills, you can find tea gardens, coffee plantations, and spices. And in the Himalayas, on the slopes of the mountains, you find very valuable trees which grow here. Rosewood, tea kind, sesame, salt. They are very good for building the houses and making carpentry work. Understand? Then, in our country, where it is a boon, like a gift from the nature for us. So many varieties of soil we find in our country. And you know one more thing, here wherever the soil is not so fertile, like sandy soil in Rajasthan and this red and yellow soil, they are not so fertile. In those cases, what do the people do, farmers do? They add manure and fertilizer to the soil to make it fertile, uh, to make it um, efficient for growing the crops. Only soil cannot be done. Soil is converted into fertile soil by adding manure. What is manure? A soft soil with cow dung, decomposed matters, etc. It is called manure. And fertilizer, chemical substances which help in the growth of crops. These two things, fertilizers and manures, are used for making the soil fertile. Now, we came to know about different types of soil, how they are helpful to us in growing the crops. Okay, now talking to the next thing, what crops are grown? So based on these types of soil, how is the crop production in our country? How is this crop production takes place in our country? Okay. Yesterday we knew about types of soil. Now we know about crop production. We know about crop production. Understand? Let me read one paragraph and explain you. So, whatever crops we grow in our country, using these different types of soils, we can divide these crops into two types. So, in our country, two types of crops are grown. One are food crops, the other are cash crops. So, these, using the soils in different parts and in different physical divisions of our country, we grow two types of crops. So, we are talking about crop production. What crops we produce? We produce two types of crops. One is food crops, the other is cash crop. Then, next question is, what is food crop and what is cash crop? Food crop is the one which is mainly used for the consumption in the form of food, like wheat, jawar, pulses, vegetables, fruits, etc., rice, etc. We grow for our consumption. To consume means to take in for our food satisfaction or food purpose. To have our food. What? Wheat, rice, jawar, millets, pulses, fruits, and what else? Vegetables. You may ask, teacher, then we even every day we will have tea and coffee also. No. Here we will consume sugar, coffee powder and tea powder also. No. Then is it not food? No, it is not food crop. It is a cash crop. Why? Because we regularly have these things. Rice, wheat, millets, vegetables, fruits. Understand? These we consume regularly every day without fail, and not only one time, 3 to 4 times in a day, in 3 or 4 intervals, we will, in the form of breakfast, in the form of lunch, in the form of snacks, then in the form of dinner. We will consume all these things. Every day we will have fruits, every day we will have vegetables, every day we eat rice, in some places chapatis or jawar rotis. So these are our necessities without which we cannot live. So can you live without eating rice for some months? No. Can you live without drinking tea for 1 month? Yes, we can. And understand, and it is food crops are not as costly as tea or coffee. They are cheaper than tea or coffee. Understand? So food crops are those crops which we grow for our own consumption, and cash crops are those which we grow to get the money, cash. Understand? Oil seeds, sugar cane, cotton, tea, coffee, and spices, etc. Spices also we use in our food, but not rice. మీరు రైస్ తిన్నంత చిల్లీ పౌడర్ వేసుకుని తింటారా? కాదు కదా. రైస్ తిన్నంత చింతకాయ తింటారా? కాదు కదా. Little we use for the flavor in our food. So they all come under cash crops. So let us know. India has favorable climatic condition to produce a variety of crops. India is a rich country in terms of fertile soil and modern irrigation facilities. Thus, farmers grow various crops throughout the year. India is a rich country in the form of variety of soils. In other countries, such a variety of so many types of soil is not found. In India we find. And here we are using now scientific methods of cultivation and modern irrigation facilities. We have dams, multi-purpose dams, and pumping water, everything. So using these all facilities, we are able to grow crops in a surplus quantity, in a large quantity. The main food crops grown in India, I told you. What are food crops? Food crops of those crops which we use for our own consumption. They are rice, wheat, maize, millets, pulses. The main cash crops are sugarcane, jute, oilseeds, cotton, tea, coffee, rubber, coconut and tobacco. కోకోనట్ కొంచెం వాడతాం మనం ఫుడ్లో. టొబాకో వాడతారా తినడానికి? సిగరెట్స్లో వాడతారు, ప్రతి ఒక్కరు తాగరు కదా. దెన్ ఇంకే ఆయిల్ సీడ్స్, ఆయిల్ తీయడానికి. పల్లీలు అవి ఆయిల్ సీడ్స్, నువ్వులు, పల్లీలు. కానీ అది ఇంత మాత్రమే వాడతాం మనం ఫుడ్లో. వాడకపోయినా నడుస్తుంది, కానీ రైస్ తినకపోయినా నడవదు, దాల్ తినకపోతే నడవదు, కూరలు తినకపోతే నడవదు, ఫ్రూట్స్ తినకపోతే నడవదు. ఎస్. So main food crops. Rice is the most important staple food crop in the eastern and southern parts of India. Rice is the staple food. What is staple? S-T-A-P-L-E. S-T-A-P-L-E, staple. Staple means which we take as the main food. మనము రైస్ తింటాం. ఇప్పుడు సౌత్లో ఓన్లీ రైస్ ఈజ్ అవర్ మెయిన్ ఫుడ్ లంచ్లో. You don't eat chapatis regularly. Here in South India you use rice. In eastern part, Assam, Nagaland, West Bengal, Bihar, there also they eat, majority of people eat rice only. So rice is the main food. Staple food is the main food, which is accompanied by fruits, vegetables, pulses, curd, milk, etc. మీరు ఇంత అన్నం తింటారనుకోండి, ఇంత కూర వేసుకుంటారా? కాదు కదా. ఇంత కూర తీసుకుంటారు, ఇంతే చట్నీ వేసుకుంటారు, ఒక్క బౌల్ దాల్ తీసుకుంటారు. ఇంత రైస్ ఉంటే ఇంత దాల్ తీసుకోరు కదా. సో స్టేపుల్ ఫుడ్ ఈజ్ ద ఫుడ్ విచ్ యూ మెయిన్లీ ఈట్ in large quantity, I can call. So in South India and in eastern part of India, like West Bengal, Assam, all 7 sister states, and Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, some parts, South Karnataka. Here, Kerala, here all rice is the main food. Understand? So, why rice is main food? Because the climate of these places favor the growth of రైస్. ఇక్కడ ఉన్న క్లైమేట్కి సూటబుల్ క్లైమేట్ దేనికి ఉంది? రైస్ ఏమంటారు వాట్ టు గ్రో రైస్, ఇట్ ఈస్ సూటబుల్. అండర్స్టాండ్? అస్సాం, వెస్ట్ బెంగాల్, ఝార్ఖండ్, ఛత్తీస్గఢ్, బీహార్, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Punjab and Haryana are the major rice producing states of India. India has the largest area under rice cultivation in the world. In the world, India has the largest area under rice cultivation. In the whole world, India is the first place in growing rice, it seems. It is the second largest producer of rice after China. China is the first producer of rice. India is the second largest producer of rice in the world. Wheat is the second most important food crop of India. It grows well in the cool and moist climate. The main wheat producing states are Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, even Maharashtra also, children. Millets or coarse grains like jawar, bajra, ragi, these are called millets. They are grown in Rajasthan, Bihar, Gujarat, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. These are the main producers of millets. Main cash crops. Now food crops over. Which states grow which food crops? You came to know. Rice is grown in so many places. Assam, West Bengal, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Bihar. Understand? Kerala, Punjab, Haryana. And wheat is grown in Kerala, Punjab, Haryana and Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Maharashtra, etc. Millets are grown in Rajasthan, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Gujarat, in these places, which are dry areas. Main cash crops are sugarcane, jute, oilseeds, and cotton, tea, coffee, etc. So sugarcane is the main sugar ore of jaggery and sugar. Sugarcane is the main source of jaggery and sugar. Sugarcane తో ఏం ప్రొడ్యూస్ చేస్తాం మనం? షుగర్ ఇంకా గుడ్ అంటే ఏంటి? బెల్లం. India is one of the world's largest producer of sugarcane. Uttar Pradesh is the leading producer of sugarcane, followed by Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Tamil Nadu and Punjab. Understand? Leading producer of sugarcane in India is Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh is the largest producer of sugarcane. After that, Maharashtra, Punjab, Haryana, Bihar, Tamil Nadu, these places also, these states also grow sugarcane. Jute second. Bihar and West Bengal are famous for producing jute. గోని సంచులు చేస్తారు కదా, దానికి యూజ్ చేసే ఫైబర్ ఈజ్ జూట్. జూట్ ఈజ్ యూజ్ టు మేక్ బ్యాగ్స్, ropes and carpets. It grows well in hot and wet climate. The main jute producing states are West Bengal, Assam, Bihar and Odisha. West Bengal, Bihar, Assam and Odisha are the places where jute is produced. Oil seeds include mustard, sunflower, groundnut, linseed, sesame. Understand? Mustard, avalu, it is also oil seed. Groundnut, పల్లీలు. linseed అంటే కుసుమలు అంటారు చూడండి. sesame అంటే నువ్వులు. Sunflower seeds, these are the sources of oil. They are called oil seeds. They are grown in the different parts of our country. The oil extracted from them is called vegetable oil. Cotton is used to make cloth. It is grown in Gujarat, Punjab, Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. Cotton is used for making clothes. It is grown in many states like Gujarat, Punjab, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh Tamil Nadu, etc. Tea grows well in hot and wet climate. It is grown in Assam, parts of West Bengal, and the Nilgiri hills in the south. India is the world's largest producer as well as exporter of tea. India is the largest producer of tea in the world. Rubber. Rubber is mainly grown in Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, and Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Rubber wheat trees ఉంటాయి long with long stem, and a kind of milk we extract, juice we extract from the tree to make rubber. India ranks 5th in producing natural rubber in the world. Coffee is grown in Karnataka, Kerala, and Tamil Nadu. Spices include pepper, chilies, cloves, ginger, cardamom, and these are grown in Kerala and Karnataka only. Understand? This is all about what crops are produced, which kind of soil favors their production, and which states produce which crops we came to know. So here ends our class. Thank you, children.